Hi there, this is Laura from Teacup Line, and I'm going to show you how I ladder stitch the spikes onto this basilisk. So I've already started. I am using a 1/8 inch seam allowance and a basic ladder stitch. I pin the spikes on where I want them after they're stuffed. They're lightly stuffed and the head is very firmly stuffed. So once I have it pinned on, I can see the approximate line that I'm going to want to sew along. So if you can't eyeball this, you can use a water-soluble pen and actually mark along this line. I stitch into the head. Make sure my threads don't tangle too badly. And you can either tighten each stitch individually, or if you'd like to sew a little bit faster, you can make 2 or 3 stitches and then tighten all of them at once, which is what I like to do, and I pull quite firmly. Now you might experience areas of the ladder stitch where the fabric will come out and then back in again. What you can do is tuck in any fabric that puffs out along that seam by just pushing the needle into it, and just keep sewing around the entire spike. And what I did is I started stitching right here, sewed around, and then I just started this spike again. So I'll sew around and then go back down to this section and sew that last spike. And you can repeat this for any spikes, horns, little antenna, arms and legs, if you didn't sew them into the seam, like so, like so. Now the arms and legs have a 1/4 inch seam allowance, so you'll want to trim 1/8 inches away off this edge before you ladder stitch them on, if you wanted to ladder stitch them instead. And if you wanted to stuff them first before sewing them on, you can do that as well. Thanks for watching, hope this helps.